Yeah.
Okay. Now let me go back to the same issue here. I think you're getting confused from me, right?
The earlier it was a bit confusing.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat from the start?
Just from the if statement, the second part, the second line in the if statement.
Here, you mean
Yeah,
this
this
one?
line. Yeah.
Okay. So again, can I ask you first, what is the values that I take? We start at 0 until we reach I less than a dot length minus 1. What is this value? Give me a number.
Okay, so yeah, I 1, 2, 3,
So here we have 0, 1,
0, 1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4,
4, 5,
5, 6.
6. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if the length should be 7 because we counting from here, right? So the length equals 7. And 7 minus 1?
6.
Okay, so it means that we reach here 4, 5, 6. So it means that he even say I less than 6. So it means that I will never come to 6.
Yeah.
Once it's at 5, it will terminate this loop.
Yeah.
Okay, but why we ever need to use minus 1? That is one question that we will have to answer. Okay, the second thing here, the purpose of this is to modify certain numbers inside this array, and we double them. But we double them based on what condition? We look first. Is it 1 bigger than 7? If 1 is bigger than 7, we would like the second consequent element to be actually bigger. So we multiply it by 2.
Okay.
So here 1 is not bigger than 7, so we do nothing.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then we compare 7 to 5. So 7 definitely is bigger than 5.
Yeah.
So it means that we come to 5, we multiply it by 2. So when you see here, the end array, we see 1, 7 untouched. But we see the 5 multiplied by 2. So it becomes 10. And then we compare 10 to 6. 10 to 6.
Yeah.
So which is bigger? 10 is bigger than 6. So it means that we need to multiply 6 by 2. So instead of becoming 6, it becomes 12.
I see. Yeah.
And then we compare 12 to 4.
Yeah.
So which one is bigger? 12, of course.
Yeah.
Am I making sense or still?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Somehow makes sense. I know
now I understand.
So you have to understand that A and AI plus 1 is a difficult concept. That one of the tricks, it's clear, one of the tricks in all the programming languages. The point here that I want you to look at this condition. When I'm at I5, where is I5 here? This is I5. When I'm at I5, I'm comparing I5, which is 14. I am comparing it here.
Yeah.
I5 bigger than 11 or not? It is bigger than 11. 14 is bigger than 11.
Yeah.
So it means that I need to multiply this by 2. So it becomes here. So why the loop does not allow me to go to the next? So we are at I5, but why we don't move to I6? Why he doesn't allow me to go to I6? Because if you go to I6, when you say I plus 1, it means that you want to talk to something that is already outside the array. There is no position 7, there is no index 7. Your loop here, or your if statement, is based on what? Or based on comparing I to I plus 1. It means that you compare this to this, to the consequent element. But when you reach I6, what is the consequent element? Nothing. There is nothing you can compare it with. So it means that when we reach I5, when we compare it to the last element in the array, we got nothing else to compare.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know it's difficult, but I want to ask you, can you remove this and try to run? Can you remove the -1 from your array and try to run?
Okay. Yeah. So I go out of bounds.
You go out of bounds. And may you please share with me?
Yeah.
And you already put this print line, right? So do you see the last print statement? Can you describe it to me until I am able to see your screen?
It's the same code that I had earlier. I just took out the -1.
Yeah, but what is the output? Are you comparing 14 to 11 or not?
Yeah, 14 to 11.
Okay.
Everything works as normal. It's just after the 11, then I'm out of bounds because 7 is out of the index.
Okay. So yeah. Are you able to? So if I say your understanding percentage in this example is 70% or less?
More, 70%.
More.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Let me then continue sharing. So can you please read this line and tell me why this will give error?
Because the length is only until like 4, so you can't give it 10.
No.
The new int is 4, so you
So
can't
the
make
new
the length 10.
Okay. You well, okay, fine. You are correct. Actually, you are not able to change the length once it's already fixed here. Okay. So and also you cannot compare two arrays. You are not allowed to use equality to compare two arrays. If you have two array A1, A2, and they have numbers inside, you are not able to compare them this way. This will make a problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you look at this and tell me?
Okay. I don't know.
What is he trying to do? He's trying to print the array, right?
Yeah.
But we are not able to print the array in this way. We are only allowed to print variables or single element inside the array. So we can say A1 at position
A1
1 or position 0 or whatever. But to print A1 all one shot, it's not possible. This will give me the address in the memory. So that does not really help us. Okay. Now, if I want to actually print the array all one shot, actually it is possible, but you have to actually use a certain way. So this certain way say that you have to use that method, Array.Tostring, and you pass it the name of the array. So if your array is called A, this will return the memory address, and it's not useful. So if we put arrays to string and we pass it A, it will convert our array to a string and put it in a printable format. But you must import that to put that line before your main method, your main class on the top of your file. You have to put this.
Yeah.
Okay. So may you please put first that line at the start of your file. Put it at line number 1.
We already have that.
Okay,
in the file.
perfect. Perfect. Okay, then we move to the next here. And then I would like you to use, I think you have, I'm not sure if you have array. Never mind, just write these 2 lines. It's not big.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That I get the answer.
Okay. Is heap arrays. Okay. So that is this is the end of the arrays module. So this is the lab. I would like you to write a method called average, which accepts an array, an integer array, and returns the average of the values. Okay, and then write a method count above average, which accepts an integer array and returns the number of values that are above the average. And you must call average inside it. So let's first start with writing the average method. So under the main, you can write an average method. Let me just try to copy that for you. And you can start sharing.
Okay.
I already sent you to the WhatsApp, but start sharing because it
Oh,
takes some time.
okay. Okay.
The only tricky part, if I can really think correctly, would be the passing an array to your method.
Okay, so what do I need to
You go
do?
down and create a method.
Okay. So count above F.
No, first make the average
Oh.
first.
Oh, okay, wait. I need to move this zoom thing up here. Okay. Okay. Let's use this.
Mm-hmm.
I can just make it void. Right?
But not void, because average have to return a value.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that was this. Okay.
What do you need to be able
Exception
to?
int an int array and returns.
Int array,
Okay, so
you
the
have it
array
on
will be
line
here.
170. Yeah, well, line
Oh,
170
okay.
is okay. It's there already for you.
So then here I can put integer a, right? Like that.
Integer a, yes, but
Or no need to.
you have to put. No, you
Okay.
can put even x. No need to put a. Just put
Oh, okay.
integer square brackets x.
Okay.
So when you do that, you are telling I am expecting an array of integers, and I name it x. Okay. Now, okay,
Yeah.
what to do now?
I need an average, so I need to get all the individual numbers here. So
So how you get the sum.
yeah,
You divide it
correct.
by the count of
Sum
the
and then
numbers.
divide it by count. Yeah.
Okay, so sum, you have done it in one of the four loops above, if you can remember.
Yeah. Sum we did it here.
Okay.
Right.
So
So
copy it and modify it so that it works.
yeah. So but okay, I can put it in the loop also. And that, and then I need this. Then I need this to be A, this to be A. Okay. And then will this work? Let me
Little by little. Test every little code here until you confirm that every part is start to work.
okay. Oh, oh, it won't even. Okay, wait. Here I need to put integer I. This thing. Okay, run again. Yeah, so we don't have A here because in the method we don't have it, right?
Yes.
So
The method internally is totally isolated from here. Totally,
so
you
then
cannot see it.
should I bring this here into the
No,
method?
no.
No.
But you already passing it as an input. So what it can see, it can only see x.
Oh,
So when you pass a here, it will become x inside the method. So it means that you have to replace every
right,
a with x.
right. Okay, see.
So we will reduce the number
Okay,
of errors.
then it will be integer sum. Okay, and now I need, I really have, what is this issue now? Is it, do I need space? No, right? Yeah, I don't, how come?
Mhm.
I, I plus.
So
Shouldn't this work?
no, it shouldn't. Every time you loop, you define a new variable that is called sum. We never
Right,
define
right,
variables inside the loop. Okay,
right, correct.
excellent. Okay, good. Okay,
Now, okay,
you're
missing returns
killing
like,
error
okay.
after an error. That's excellent. Very fast. Okay.
Oh, I don't have a average yet. Just return some first.
Okay, fine.
Then I'll change it later. Oh, it doesn't work. Already defined. Oh, wait. There you go. Okay. So now I have that. Then, eh, it doesn't print my sum.
Because
How
you
come
didn't
it's not?
call average.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, then in here,
Mhm.
I should put A. So I
Yes,
should put
definitely.
this.
Because there is no x in this context. No
Well,
x. It's only a.
yeah. So I put this like
Mhm.
that, right? I don't need X. Okay, is that correct? Yeah, that's 32, right? Yeah, 18, yeah, 32. Okay. So that's correct. So this is correct. And now, for every, um, equals to sum slash. Technically, I is the count, right? No, because I will start from 0. Eh, well, actually, let me try it first. See what happens now. Get error. Yeah, I cannot find in the loop. Okay. Maybe if I put integer equals 0, and
Mhm.
I just add a line here, plus plus. Because this is on, and oh, actually, I can also put this outside number.
Yes, it's true. You can do that. Okay, but okay,
Both
what
ways
you're
also.
doing is not bad
Yeah.
at all. Okay, but
Okay.
you need some printing again.
Yeah,
Print,
yeah.
print, print, print. Yeah.
Um, um, okay, so that is correct, right? 32 divided, what is that? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.4. So it's wrong. Okay, because I can just make this up. Well, this should fix it. Okay. And then return average.
Mhm. Actually, I salute you. Excellent guy. But little change, just little change. But because you
Yeah,
already find the solution without
yeah,
a small delay. The
yes,
thing
yeah.
is, you count. You can just use length
Oh, yeah. But
because
then I will need, gonna, oh yeah, because it's already identified.
yes,
Yeah, so I can use it X. And then I don't need this. I don't need this. Yeah,
it
okay.
works. Am I right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it works.
So, but excellent because you find an alternative solution very fast. Okay, I salute you. Um, okay, now we move to the next,
Yeah, right.
which is above
Count.
average.
Okay. The count above average which accepts in array and returns number of values that are above average. Okay. Okay. So let's put Above. Okay, this can be the same. Now I need to, I don't need all of this. Let me make this void first. Or should I make this integer?
Integer, yes.
And then, okay, so now I need average here. So count above average. So if, okay, so I need a while loop, a for loop again. So let me take this. And then instead of getting sum, I put an if statement. Need to say that it's greater if, say, if I say x is I is greater than average, but I don't think average will be. I think I have to call it here. Let's try first. Greater than average. Plus integer. So what's okay? I also need this and this. Yeah, and else nothing. Oh shit, I don't need to type anything else. Yeah. Then close this. Then this will close the for and okay. But I don't think this will work. Because I don't think average will be done. Oh, and I need to and then this one work. Yeah. Oh. 175. 175. Oh yeah. Yeah, the average. So I need to call the average here. I don't think that will work also. No.
What is the error?
I'm trying to get the value, the average value here. I can't get it
Fine.
here.
But what is the error? What is read the error? You are smart.
It
You are
cannot
smart.
find symbol.
Yes.
Cannot
What is
find
the
symbol.
simple A? He doesn't find A. He doesn't complain about
Oh.
the average. So
Oh, I don't.
okay. He expected argument. Argument means input. Average need to
Yeah.
take an array. What you want to give to it? Your array name
I need to
inside here
give
is called
X.
X. Yes.
Yeah. And then this will be the, oh. Wait, why is it? Oh, because
Yeah.
I'm the average
Wait.
prince. Okay, okay. So,
Yes, it's fine. Wait.
oh, okay. Okay.
So you managed to find you managed to count. Can you confirm your
Yeah.
counting is correct? This is your average. How many numbers above your average?
Yeah. Oh.
How
Yeah.
many?
Correct,
14 and
correct.
8.
Two only. Yeah,
2
14
only,
and
right?
8.
This
Yeah.
means that you
Yeah, two
already
only.
managed to actually do it correctly. Am I
Yeah.
right?
So
The
now I
only
just need to
problem.
not print.
No. The problem is not
No?
printing. The printing actually
Okay.
can tell you what is the problem of your code. The problem is that
Okay.
you actually doing the average calculation for how many times? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times you go and calculate the average. Although the average can be calculated only one time and stored inside a variable, and then we refer to the variable inside the if statement. But what you are doing at the moment, because you are calling the function, every time you come here with if statement, it go execute all this method, give you the print the average, return it back to you, and do the comparison. But the correct way, you come here before the loop, you call this average, store it inside internal variable, and then use it. So
okay, I understand.
but your thinking is logic. What you are doing is logic. Only the small tricks, fine-tuning tricks. Okay.
Okay. And then here I just type F.
So you
so either
you
way
call
I
it
still
2
have to do the
times.
same thing. Yeah, so
but wait, don't remove that. This is able to tell us how many times we actually so we want to know why is it printing 2 times. Am I right?
Because I call it here.
Yes,
and I call
exactly.
it here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it means that somehow if you comment that, it will be only one time.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. So okay. Excellent.
Then write the method largest which accepts any int array and returns the largest value of the array. Okay. Okay, and then returns the largest value. Okay. So I can keep this until here. And I'll do that. Okay. How do I get the largest? Okay, so I if okay, technically I can do. Technically I can use this type of method. Until I'm left with
you need an if statement, but you don't need. Okay.
Like technically if I do, let's say if I do if this, because this is in the loop, so if I change this to X, means what this will do is it will take the variable and check if the next one is higher or not.
Okay,
so I should
fine.
say if the next one is higher, then do something, and then it will keep doing that until I'm left with the highest number, right?
Logic thinking, yes. Okay, you try this method first. Yeah.
Oh, but then if I think about it, it will be 14. I mean, it's correct, 14 is the highest. But if I had 18 here, it will stop at 14 because this is smaller. Hmm. Okay, let me try this first. No, I don't want to print it now. Confusing.
My advice to you when you are confused, write a code that runs, even if it is wrong. That will put you on the first road. Okay, and then you try to adjust a little bit your code here and there until you manage to reach. So,
so
yeah.
If this is higher than this, okay, so if this is bigger than that, now I want to print. Then I want to print this.
Okay.
And then, oh, but then you'll just print over. Okay, first let's see. This will just run. What I didn't. Oh,
make sure your
yeah. Oh, say I just return. Can I just return this?
Okay, fine. I don't think he can recognize the I outside the loop, but just put return 0 first.
Yeah.
There will be no error, but you didn't call the largest.
Yeah, I didn't call like this. Yeah. Why did it go 5 out of bounds? Oh, because I did a +1 after, so I need -1 here, right?
Okay.
Oh, but then, yeah, okay.
So it means that your largest is 8.
8. Doesn't make. Oh, I need to wait. Does it make a difference if I flip this around? Let me just see any difference on each one. No.
No difference.
Doesn't make sense. If this is bigger, that means, yeah, if 14 is bigger than 0, then print. So which is correct. 14 is bigger than 0. Then it loops. Then it will be, this will be 14. Right? So then and this will be 4. So 4 is not bigger than 14.
That's
so
why
it shouldn't print.
It shouldn't print. It doesn't print.
Oh.
It doesn't print.
It doesn't
actually,
print 4.
It doesn't
Okay, I
print 4.
see.
And
Right,
6.
then 4, 6. Okay. So
He
how
prints
do I
6.
get it to?
So the problem is that somehow you're only comparing every consecutive number.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you are not keeping the highest number in your pocket. Suppose if you find a high number, say, oh, I store that number and then I compare it to the remaining. But you are not doing this. You are only printing it and you're comparing each consecutive number. So 14 is not compared to 8. It's only 6 compared to 8, and 14 compared to 4, and 4 compared to 6.